Jos Verstappen is really, because I see a lot of negative comments about his performance. He crashed the car on the qualification stage. Then they changed the car. He went off track on the first special stage and lost around 40 seconds. He climbed to 5th position. On the next special stage, again he went off track, and later on he needed to change the tire. On the 50th special stage, he went to the ditch. Spectators helped him to get out, and he left his CO driver and he went to the ditch completely, and they couldn't, that deep they couldn't get the car out. But that's a rally, and look at this determination. This is like role model if you think about determination. Colin McRae was similar. After 25-30 years, we still watch compilation of Colin McRae, how he was determined to win. Jos Verstappen wanted to do exactly the same. This time wasn't successful, but on YouTube you can see a lot of, let's say, comeback, fail and comeback compilation, and everybody enjoy it. And for example, if someone, Kevin Estre, is a master of it, starting from the end of the pack, passing a lot of cars and celebrating winning in the end. This time for Jos wasn't successful, but that's why I like his style, because even his age, he's doing everything what he could, and you can see that he still enjoys rallies, he still enjoys motorsport, and that's beautiful. Even in amateur sport, for example, you can see that the most. If you are not, let's say, don't have much time to train, and you are not the fittest in the pack, still you can see who is the most determined. For example, if you are a cyclist and you get flat tire, some people immediately retired from a sport event, and some people fighting, changing the tire, fighting until the end. And that's the beautiful in the amateur sport and the professional sport. Determination is the key. Determination is the key. Doesn't matter what you do. That's photography, videography, devoting time to be successful, even if it's not the best. And that's the key to success. And that's really determination, speed, control, tactic, and everything must go together. I remember a lot of successful drivers or cyclists in the past, and in certain point they lose sponsors, and you still, doesn't matter what, want to be part of it. That's the most important thing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog.